Early morning, city lights flicker outside my window. I lace up my shoes, heart pounding with anticipation. Every run is a promise I make to myself. A promise to be stronger, healthier, happier. But some days, motivation feels miles away. I need something that truly understands my journey. That's why I wear the Google Pixel Watch 3. Its Actua display shines, even in the morning sun. Stats are clear, bright, and easy to see. Fitbit's advanced running features guide every step I take. Custom run workouts, real-time feedback, form tracking. It's like having a coach on my wrist. Google AI learns my goals, my past runs, my limits. Each morning, my Fitbit brief greets me. It tells me how I slept if I'm ready. Readiness scores help me balance effort and recovery. No more guessing if today is a push or rest day. Cardio load shows how hard my heart's working. I see trends, avoid overtraining, and stay safe. Every stat is personalized. Every recommendation just for me. I feel seen, understood, empowered. On my toughest days, the watch encourages me gently. On my best days, it celebrates my progress. With 24-hour battery, it's always ready when I am. Even in battery saver mode, it keeps going strong. Charging is faster than ever, no waiting around. I use Google Maps offline to explore new routes. Google Wallet makes grabbing coffee after a breeze. Calls, reminders, and messages, all at a glance. Google Assistant helps me stay organized and focused. FastPair connects my Pixel Buds instantly. Music powers my stride, every beat in sync. I control my Pixel camera from my wrist. Nest Cam and doorbell feeds keep my home close. The watch is designed for performance and connection. It's built for every Android user who loves to move. Fitness insights help me reach my personal best. The larger, brighter screen makes stats easy to track. Personalized health recommendations keep me safe and strong. Every feature is crafted for tech-savvy fitness lovers. The matte black aluminum case feels sleek and modern. Obsidian band fits comfortably, no matter the workout. I trust my Pixel Watch 3 to guide my journey. It's more than a watch, it's my daily companion. It motivates me when I'm tired, celebrates when I succeed. It helps me listen to my body, not just my mind. Every morning, I wake up with purpose. Every evening, I reflect on progress and gratitude. The Pixel Watch 3 makes every moment meaningful. It's there for the first step and the last mile. For runners, dreamers, and anyone chasing better days. For those who want more than just numbers. It's for people who crave connection and understanding. For Android fans who expect the best performance. For fitness enthusiasts who love deep insights. For tech lovers who want seamless integration. This watch is made for you, made for us. It's a reminder that every day is a new chance. To run farther, recover smarter, live fuller. To listen to your heart and follow your dreams. To celebrate every victory, big or small. To cherish every moment, every heartbeat. Pixel Watch 3 is more than technology. It's a partner in your journey to wellness. It's the warmth of encouragement on a cold morning. The joy of achievement at sunset. The comfort of knowing you're cared for. Let the Pixel Watch 3 support your every stride. Discover your best self, one step at a time. Start your journey today. Choose the Google Pixel Watch 3. Your heart, your health, your happiness on your wrist. Make every moment count with Google by your side. Feel the difference. See the results. Live your story powered by Pixel Watch 3. Ready to run, ready to rest, ready for you. Join the movement. Embrace your journey. Google Pixel Watch 3, where performance meets heart. Order now and start living your best life.